Aikou Foil Company is located in Huaji Technology Industry Park, Foshan, Guangdong Province, producing all kind of aluminum foil containers since 2008. We have 15 years of production and creation experience in R&D and innovation, mainly engaged in foreign trade business. We have conducted in-depth cooperation with more than 30 countries around the world, and we have extremely professional foreign trade experience. We have standard GMP production workshop to guarantee the quality of foil container meet food standard. Every employee should wear dust-free shoe covers, clothes, hats, masks and wash their hands before entering the workshop. This is our full set of system to ensure the healthy production environment at daily production procedure. Specialized and responsibility are our purpose. Our product will contact food which requested to produced in dust-free, clean, and harmless workshop by strictly producing procedure. We have passed and got FSSC, ISO 9001, HACCP, SGS, FDA and QC certificate. We focus on researching, developing and manufacturing colorful smooth wall foil food container, which need high request for technology, products quality stability raw materials structure stability control. In order to solve customers' problems, we have a professional R&D team to solve a variety of materials, shapes, colors, do not fade, wrinkles and other conventional problems, and then won the favor of many customers. We will adhere to continue to innovate and development, the pursuit of higher and more convenient technology, to provide better service for our customers. We have more 6,000 square meters factory building, 20 stamping lines, more 600 types mold. In the entire aluminum foil container market, our customers are very satisfied with our comments, because our pursuit is not only to produce and sell containers. It's about building long-term relationships. We have rich experience on working with wholesaler, supermarket, food factory, China restaurant. We understand well clients' demands. We will recommend the most appropriate quality and products according to the needs of customers. Solving problem from start to end deeply. Strictly quality control system make us earn more and more clients' reputation. Take responsible for any problem from products and shipping. Continue to research and develop new mold technology and the newest raw material according different use to grow up for customer. Our main 5 culture is professional, responsibility, stability, innovate, and patience.